Hello, dear friend. This is Daisy from Ono Machinery. We have 15 years experience for the nylon industry. Today, I want to introduce our ONL XB700 mode nylon bag making machine to you, which one can make 5 type of bags in one machine. It can make the handle bag, handle bag. This is also the RPET handle bag, D-cut bag, the rope shoes bag, T-shirt bag, and the box bag. After finished, you need a manual reversal the box bag. This full machine is consist by 6 units. Here's the first unit. First, you according to the bag size. For example, the box bag, you according to the bag height to prepare the suitable bag. The fabric roll here, set here. Then you can fold the bag mouth here in this place. Here is the second unit. After the fabric roll goes through here, it will fold. The third unit, when the fabric goes through here, the photo sensor here to check the printed. And sometimes if you make the T-shirt bag, the two side in center, it's here. You can to plant insert here. Also the side winding by this ultrasonic. Here it's the handle, online handle winding unit. This handle, you put the fabric roll behind. The fabric roll will fold and go through here. In the top have 2 winding. In the bottom have 2 winding. So you can get the online winding handle. It will help you save many labor costs. Here is the back side winding unit. There have 2 ultrasonic side winding and go to there. The cutting knife will cut the bag. So you can get the finished bag like this. And also here it's the D-cut punch, online D-cut punch this place. And here the last one, the distribution command. So you can set the bag width, and the speed here. According to make a different type of bag and a different fabric thickness and different size bag and some operator skills, the machine production speed around 50 to 100 pieces per minute. Full machine lasts around 12 meters. It can be loaded by 140 container. With the improvement of human environmental protection awareness, nylon bag and paper bag are gradually replacing plastic bags. If you want to know more details about nylon bag and paper bags, please contact me freely. Thank you. Bye.